नेशनल इनकम का मेज़रमेंट देखेंगे हम लोग। मेज़रमेंट ऑफ नेशनल इनकम, देयर आर मेथड्स ऑफ कैलकुलेटिंग नेशनल इनकम। फर्स्ट एंड प्रोडक्ट इनकम एंड लास्ट वन इज एक्सपेंडिचर। नेशनल इनकम का मेजर्स एक बार हम लोग देख लेते हैं। फर्स्टली इट मेजर्स द मार्केट वैल्यू ऑफ एनुअल प्रोडक्ट। सेकेंडली नेशनल इनकम इज अ मॉनेटरी मेजर्स। thirdly national income includes the market value of all final goods. The value of intermediate product are not included. A final product is one which is available for immediate consumption, for example a car or a saving machine. नेशनल इनकम का मेजर्स एक एक करके देखेंगे। फर्स्ट है प्रोडक्ट मेथड। द मार्केट वैल्यू ऑफ all the goods and services produced in the country by all the firms across in all industries are added up together. Process है, the economy is divided on basis of industries such as agriculture, fishing, mining, and quarrying, large scale manufacturing. The physical unit of output are interpreted in money terms. Limitations of product method. First, a problem of double counting, unclear distinction between a final and intermediate product. Second, not applicable to tertiary sector. This method is used only when output can be measured in physical terms. Third, exclusion of non-marketed product. Example, outcome of hobby or self-consumption of output. Producer may consume a part of his production. Second factor method, income method, net incomes of the individuals and business houses during a year added to know the national income. Only those incomes earned and received for producing goods and for rendering services are to be counted. National income equals to rent plus wages plus interest plus factor. Transfer payments such as old age pensions, window pensions. Limitations of income methods. First is exclusion of non-monetary income. Ignores the non-monetized section of economic activities. Economic activities that contributes to national income. Second is exclusion of non-marketed service. People undertake a particular activities that are difficult to ascertain in money value. Third is expenditure method. This measures the value of all spending on goods and services in the economy. This is calculated by summing up the spending by all the different sectors in the economy. This includes spending by households known as consumption, spending by firms known as investment, spending by government, spending by foreigners and exports minus spendings on imports. Limitations of expenditure method. The total expenditure incurred by the society in the particular year in added together to get their year's national income. Components of expenditure: personal consumption expenditure, net domestic investment, government expenditure on goods and services, and net foreign investment. Limitations है, ignores barter system, ignores on consumption affected by inflation. Thank you.